He's so loud. But he's so cute. Yeah. Look at the little fella. Look at the little fella. He's like, when are you going to leave? And I think Bird just came to the feeder. No, it left. Doesn't like my voice, I guess. Maybe. Now, where is he? Where did he go? Oh, there he is. I think. Yeah. There he is. I can just see his tail a bit, I think. That's about it, though. I think I might be scaring them. I'd like to see if I can catch one coming to the feeder, but I guess not. Okay, now it's getting super, super cold out. There's one. A nuthatcher, I believe. I think it's a nuthatcher. And there comes another one. Oh. I don't think that squirrel's very happy with me that I'm here. Because they're making a lot of noise. A lot of disapproval. And sort of invading their territory. Anyway, I'll go, ooh, look at my finger. I cut my finger. I don't know how I did it, but I did. I'm gonna get some bird seed. Just as a repayment for them being semi-patient. Yep. Nope. Okay. Might hear quite a bit of noise. Okay, well, some of them certainly flew away. Okay, sprinkling the seeds. There we go. Okay, guys. Oh, there's one really close. Oh, you are so cute. You are so cute, but don't be afraid. I won't hurt you, little guys. I won't hurt ya. But I don't blame you for being scared. Because I would be too. I would be too. There's one. There he is. Oh. Oh. I don't know where he went again. Anyway. Okay, guys. I'm leaving. See you later. Okay, I'm seriously freezing now and my pajamas are falling down. So that is the end of this outdoor adventure for today.